Good morning, and this will be my final message to you for this academic year, and what a year it has been. Obviously COVID's played a huge part in disrupting school life, but I think we've soldiered on. I think we've done really well as a school community, so thank you for all your support with that. Many schools out there in Cumbria and beyond are closed today because of the demands of the pandemic and everything else, but we've managed to keep things going here at Workington Academy. I would like you to have a good look at the newsletter which has come out today, and there's some really important information in there about September and how things are going to be, and some other important information about all the excellent things that have been going on in school this last term. One of those things was Sports Day yesterday, which was absolutely fantastic. Really well done to all of the students who took part in that. It was a fantastic atmosphere, and I really enjoyed it. We had Be the Best You Can Be week the week before. Lots of students taking part in all kinds of events, from the CET mile. It's been absolutely brilliant. To manage to keep those kind of events going in the pandemic is brilliant. I'm so proud of the staff and so proud of the students involved. The one thing remaining for me to say is have a fantastic summer, and we'll see you all again in September. Thank you.